Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know already, my name is Alicia, and if you have not hit the subscribe button, I would love for you to do so. Today's video, it is a thrift haul. As you may know, I'm building my dream closet, and I wanted to get some sustainable pieces and pieces that I want to try out. So first we have this shirt, which is like a layering piece to me. Yellow from Express. It have a little detail on there, and I feel like I can wear it for work or dress it down. And then we have these Levi pants. These are actually from the men's section. I get a lot of my clothes from the men's section and I just make it my own. But these Levi pants, like I said, is from the men's section and I feel like they fit really good. They're straight-legged. I love the wash of these jeans. Oh, the next is I know you may think it's nothing, but it's a North Face shirt. Let me tell you about this shirt. This shirt, again, is from the men's section, but it's super duper soft and it keeps me so warm. I love that. For one of the days I just want to throw on sweats or whatever. And then these two pieces right here, I want to just talk about it. I like this cardigan, but I actually have posted on my Poshmark and Macari site to sell it because I don't really do snakeskin that often, but I really just liked the shirt. And these pants right here is 100% silk. I am keeping these. I love these pants. They fit me so good and they're so soft. It feels like butter. Like, amazing. And this cardigan right here, I actually been wearing these like shirts, so it's nothing really underneath, but I will wear like a sports bar or something. I'm sorry I didn't pin my shirt right for the try on section. But this shirt right here is super duper cute. And again, you can wear it with jeans or anything. And these trousers, amazing. They fit so good. And this is the last thing I picked up. Well, actually, I got this off of Poshmark. I love, is this Topshop? Jamie or Joey jeans. I know skinny jeans are going out of style or whatever, but I love wearing these type of jeans with tennis shoes, or what do you want to call it? Tennis shoes? Boots that you got to stick into your shoes. I love it. So that completes this little haul. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me